Epic roast beef with coffee, a culinary adventure. Hey, food enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of bold flavors with a twist you never saw coming. We're roasting beef, but not just any beef, we're infusing it with the rich essence of coffee. Buckle up, because this is a culinary adventure you won't want to miss. Ingredients: prime cut of beef, because we're fancy. Freshly ground coffee, your favorite blend. Salt and pepper, because basics matter. Olive oil, for that extra oomph. Garlic, because garlic makes everything better. Instructions. Step 1. The coffee rub. Let's kick things off with our secret weapon, the coffee rub. Take your favorite coffee blend and grind it to perfection. Mix it with a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Rub this magical concoction all over your prime cut of beef. Trust me, your taste buds are about to go on a roller coaster ride. Step 2. The sear. Heat up a pan, add a splash of olive oil, and sear that coffee rubbed beef until it's golden brown on all sides. We're talking about a flavor explosion here, folks. The coffee aroma mixed with the sizzling beef, it's like a symphony for your senses. Step 3. Garlic galore. Time to bring in the garlic. Crush a few cloves and toss them into the pan. Let the garlic infuse its aromatic goodness into the beef. If your kitchen doesn't smell amazing by now, you're doing it wrong. Step 4. Slow roast. Pop that beautifully seared beef into the oven for a slow roast. We're talking low and slow, my friends. Let the coffee and garlic work their magic, turning your roast into a masterpiece of flavor. Step 5. The reveal. After what feels like an eternity, but is totally worth the wait, take that roast out of the oven. The aroma alone will have your neighbors knocking on your door, wondering what culinary wizardry you're up to. And there you have it, an epic roast beef with coffee that will elevate your taste buds to new heights. It's bold, it's flavorful, and it's a game changer in the world of roast beef. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your coffee-infused creations be nothing short of legendary. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.